is Captain Starlight, and today I'm joined by
Captain Starlight.
Whoa! Hey, Captain Starlight.
Yes.
I have a challenge for you today.
Absolutely.
Do you feel like you are up for the challenge?
Well, I'm always up for a challenge.
Amazing, amazing. Today, we are going to do a challenge that is a recreate the sound. Sound. So, you guys might have seen this challenge on TikTok going around, and we're going to try and do it today. So, you're going to make a sound, and I'm going to try and recreate it, and then I'm going to make a sound, and you're going to try and recreate it.
Absolutely,
All
because
right.
I love taking things in turns.
Yes. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep a track on the scoreboard down here as to if we think the sound has been accurately made.
Who knows? All right, Captain, let's go.
All right. Would you like to start first?
I would love to.
Okay.
Make this sound.
Oh.
There's nothing like it.
Oh, I know, it's true.
All right, what about this one? Ooh, tick. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, and now this one.
Very good.
You did such a good job.
Oh, thank you. We'll check the scores at the end because I don't.
Absolutely.
All right, I'm not sure how that would work. All right, Captain,
Yes.
recreate this sound. Nice. All right. I reckon we've got another one from this. Ready?
Okay.
Go. Nice. All right. One more for this one. Bang. Nice. Okay. Recreate this sound. Oh, couldn't really hear that one, could we? All right. I'll see if I can find another one that's a similar kind of sound. All right. Here you go. Recreate this sound. I was about to say. It's good. Consistency. All right. What about? Ooh, okay, I like it. All right, recreate this sound. I like
the
it.
same pitch as
It
the other one.
is. It's very similar. All right, I'm going to challenge you to the same one. Recreate this sound.
Okay.
A breaker. I like it. All right, let's see if I have something in my pouch that you can recreate. Recreate this sound. Nice. All right, recreate. This sound.
Wait, I gotta do it.
One more. Okay.
Wait, do it again.
I like the little dip at the end.
It was like a beep.
It was.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have anything else you would like to try and recreate? What can you think now that we've got all of them in front of us?
What about this?
Go on.
What about? What about? What about? What about this? That was very accurate.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
All right, recreate the sound. All right, I think we've got one more each.
Yes. Okay. And this is it.
Okay,
recreate this sound.
Okay. I don't know, I feel like I'd have to hear it again. Can you do it again for me, Captain?
Absolutely not.
Alright. Recreate this sound. Nice. Alright, we've created a lot of sounds, Captain Starlight.
Absolutely.
Do you have a favourite sound that we tried to recreate?
My favourite sound would have to be like this little one. You know,
Yeah.
it's simple, but it's not simple to recreate.
It's true. It's true.
a toughie. What about you, Captain?
I really liked this one. Because again, it's
deep. It's
it
like,
is.
it gets into your soul.
You've got to kind of like do the motion with it to try and recreate the sound.
Yeah, you gotta like fully embody the sound.
Speaking of sounds, shall we check our tally score and see how we went down
Absolutely.
here? Drum roll, please. Oh. Okay. Okay, cool. All right. I feel like that's fair. Bit harsh. Bit harsh. Yeah, no, it was a little bit harsh.
It's a bit harsh. That's okay.
You know, we're learning, we're trying to recreate sounds. Hopefully you guys can do a better job of recreating these sounds. Play the video back again and see if you can recreate those sounds as Captain Starlight did.
Yeah.
But otherwise, thank you guys for joining us and we'll see you for another try challenge next time.
Bye.